Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my bathroom. Welcome to my channel. Today you guys are in for a treat, let me tell you. Today I'm gonna be toning my hair with this hair toning conditioner. My friend actually told me about this company because she has amazing and beautiful red hair. And I'm just gonna admit it, I'm too chicken to try anything bold like that right away. I usually go to the salon to get my hair done. I've never tried anything like this before. And today I'm gonna be going in with the oVertone Espresso Brown Conditioner. And I did go ahead and buy the whole oVertone kit. The kit came with the oVertone Espresso Brown Coloring Conditioner. It also came with the oVertone Espresso Brown Daily Conditioner, and then it came with a travel size of the Daily Conditioner as well. It did also come with a little packet of gloves, just, use protection. Before I dive in deep, I'm just gonna go ahead and open it just to see the consistency of this and to see if it has kind of like a weird smell. I'm very, very weird when it comes to smells. And it's sealed. I was expecting it not to be. I'm not sure why. Most new things come sealed. Oh, okay. That is straight chocolate pudding. Oh, it smells so minty. Oh my gosh, it smells like a face mask. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up these gloves. So these are the super cheap gloves. I mean, I should not even be complaining. I'm grateful they gave me gloves at all. I should have known and picked up different gloves in the first place. This is gonna be a slippery mess if I use these gloves. I should have picked up other gloves knowing I was going to do this today. I'm straight up a lunch lady right now. Thank you for the free gloves, oVertone. But before we go ahead and dive in, I do wanna just show you guys the hair color tone of my hair before, so we can kind of compare and contrast of how it's gonna look after this. It did say to go ahead and section off your hair. I have very, very thin, fine hair, so I'm only gonna do it into two pieces. Top half and then top bottom. If you have thicker hair, probably section off into more pieces. But for me, I have stupid thin hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and section off into two pieces. All right, let's go ahead and rock the top knot. So here we are. This isn't my proudest moment. Here we are. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop this out and apply it to the bottom half of my hair. Let's do this thing. That is thick. This is literal pudding. All right, how do you like my new hairdo? It's safe to say I think my hair is heavily saturated with the product, so I'm probably gonna keep it on for a good 20 minutes. All right, so I set my timer to 20 minutes. I will see you guys in about 20 minutes. 19 minutes and 43 seconds. Okay, so my hair is all rinsed out, and I did not use shampoo to rinse this out. I used regular lukewarm water until the water ran clear, or as clear as it could. And to go ahead and twist my hair up in a towel, I did go ahead and grab an old towel that I didn't care to get dye on. As you can see, I did have a little bit of transfer, but honestly, for what it is, I was expecting a lot more transfer on my towel. Granted, this does look like a lot of color, but it could be worse. It could always be worse. It is wet still, so I'm not sure of what the actual color looks like yet. Let's go ahead and dry this hair so we can see the true color. So my hair is dry, and I think I did an oopsie because as I was kind of running my fingers through my hair, we have some transfer. I either A, didn't rinse it out completely or rinse it out enough, or this is just what it does. I'm not sure. This is my first time using it. If this has happened to you and you've used oVertone, let me know so next time I can wear gloves when I'm blow drying my hair. But I do honestly feel like this was a user error and I just didn't rinse it out completely. So this is what the color looks like. I'm not gonna lie, I am a little shocked because this is a little dark for me. I was expecting dark, but this is pretty dark. But I know it's gonna lighten over time, so I'm not that worried. And once I have like my actual makeup and bronzer on, I'm sure it's gonna look nice with my skin tone. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the back of my head. All in all, I'm super satisfied with this color. My hair truly feels softer. It overall looks so much shinier, and I'm not sure if that's something with just having highlights in the past. My hair has always looked so dull. Oh God, looking at my hands on camera, this is horrible. I really hope this comes out in a couple washes. Anyways, all right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and give myself some time to get used to this, just because it is a little bit of a shock and it is drastically different than what I had before. So thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad this did not end in a disaster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.